I'll go through a couple of basic functions. This would be on the left stick. This is the yaw. This would be yaw left. Okay. It climbed. That was me. That wasn't the helicopter. Okay. Let's try that again. Yaw left. When you're doing the yaw function, you have to be careful. It's the same stick as the up and down or the throttle. So if you move the stick a little up or down while you're going sideways, it's also going to change altitude while you're doing the yaw. There we go. That's more like it. There's the yaw left. Okay, let's bring it back over here. Settle her down a little bit. And here's the yaw right. Let's see the. Alright. Let's get it oriented. Okay, so there's that feature. It's always good when you're learning to keep the tail of the helicopter facing you, because then right is right, left is left. Or, you know, it's just a lot easier when you're new.